Hello students, welcome to the science class of 5th standard of chapter Solids, Liquids and Gases. Students, I hope you have read and revised the topic liquids and properties of liquids that I have discussed with you in my previous class. Students, today we will continue with gases. So kindly open your book at page 72. Students, third state of matter is gas. Some example of gases are water vapor, oxygen, carbon dioxide, etc. Students, oxygen is the gas we breathe in and carbon dioxide is the gas we breathe out. Let's discuss properties of gases. Read from your book, Gases. The molecules in gases are held by a very weak force of attraction between them. This is the reason that they move randomly in all available directions. Students, underline word randomly and write its meaning in a random manner. So students, in gases, molecules are very loosely packed. So, intermolecular space is larger in gases than in liquids. Students, see the arrangement of molecules in gases. Now students, in gases, molecules are held by weak force of attraction. That is, intermolecular force of attraction is weakest in gases. So due to large intermolecular space and weak intermolecular force of attraction, gases neither have a definite shape nor definite volume. To understand this statement, let's take an example given in your book. Students, when we blow a balloon, the shape of the balloon changes, and when we deflate the balloon, the air inside rushes out and get mixed with the air of the room. Students, underline word rushes out and write its meaning escape very quickly. So from the example, we come to know that gas has neither fixed shape nor fixed volume because when we deflate the balloon, the air inside the balloon escape very quickly and get mixed with the air of the room. Now let's read further. The molecules of air move freely around each other. When we burn an incense stick in one corner of the room or use a perfume, the smell spreads and reaches every corner of the room. Students, incense stick is an aromatic material that releases fragrant smoke when burnt. So students, reason that smell of incense stick or perfume spreads and reaches every corner of the room is that in gases the molecules are loosely packed, intermolecular space is large and intermolecular force of attraction is weakest. Now let's read do you know. Matter can move from one state to another but can still be the same substance. Students, to understand this, let's take an example. We take water in three forms as ice, water and steam. So water can change from one form to another, like when ice melts, it changes into water. Water when heated changes into steam. And when steam cools down, it again changes into water. So from this we can see that water changes from one state to another, but in all the three states matter is same, that is water. So students, today we have discussed about gases and properties of gases. Now you read all the three states of matter again and do small exercise checkpoint on page 72 and revise questions related to the topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.